What's up guys, it's Pamela. Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see by the title, today we're talking about Curology. For those of you who don't know what Curology is, this video is perfect for you because I'm going to go straight into what it is, how to use it, and if it really did improve my skin. But before we jump into this video, hit the subscribe button down below and the bell right next to it so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Now let's get on with this video. So I really want to emphasize to you that this is not a sponsored video. I know Curology is around everywhere, literally on every social media platform. I really wanted to try it out for myself just because I've been seeing so many sponsored videos. So how I found out about Curology, I was looking up online different ways to clear your skin, and I'm obsessed with skincare only because I've been having acne for the past 2 years and I've been trying to cure it all of this time. After looking at a whole bunch of other products, I started seeing ads for Curology and more videos on YouTube. I honestly have nothing to lose at this point. I'm pretty fed up with my skin. I'm kind of at rock bottom. I don't really know what to do anymore, and I got contact dermatitis not too long ago, and that was a trigger for me to really change up my skincare routine. And Curology does allow you to try it for only $5, so you're getting the whole prescription for free and you're just paying for shipping, and you're able to try it out for a month to see if it even works for you. Being able to get a prescription formula just for you and your skin and your problems without having to go to a dermatologist honestly sold me on the fact that I even wanted to try it. So basically what you do is you go on their website and you fill out a little quiz about your skin, whether you have dry skin or acne prone skin, if you have any problem areas. Any possible thing you're able to tell them about your skin, they want to know. And you get to send them pictures of your skin, so in real time and how your skin is right now. It gives them more a perspective of what your skin is really like and what they can do to improve it. So after ordering my free trial, I actually got an email from my provider who actually broke down everything pretty easily. And she really broke down the percentages that are in my formula and what they are used for and what problems that it will target. So this is the first box they sent me. This is the free trial. It's a 3-step system, so you get a cleanser, your formula, and a moisturizer. You don't have to get this. You can also just get your formula, but I wanted to try the whole system. Before, I used to use Image Skincare, but then I also used other products to target different things. So I was actually putting a lot of acids on my face and a lot of things that were irritating my skin and clogging my pores, because I thought you would have to use one product for each problem that's going on in your face, but that's not the case. Your skincare should be as simple as possible, and I didn't even realize this until I started using Curology. I honestly wanted to get the whole package because I wanted to stick to one product for everything to see if it really helps my skin, because I just think I was doing way too much before. It's like there's no fragrance at all. It's very lightweight. You're supposed to use just like literally a dime-sized amount on your face every night and morning. I really love this. It really made my skin pretty soft, and it's not really harsh on my skin. I can tell because I can wash my whole face and my eyes won't burn. I really honestly love their cleanser. Next up is the formula. So on here, this is the little travel size one. And it comes in a little pump like this. So on the back, it also has like your name and stuff like that and what is in your formula. So I have niacinamide 4%, clindamycin 1%, azelaic acid 4%. So I know niacinamide is supposed to help with dark spots, and both of these are for like clearing your pores, and the other one's for fighting bacteria on your face that causes acne. I really think this is cool because you're just using one thing to tackle all 3 problems. You're not using different products all at the same time and layering them on your face. Instead, you're just using one product, super simple, and you just put it all over your face before you go to sleep. They say not to use this in the daytime, that you should only be using it at nighttime. That's when your skin is repairing itself and it's the best time to use it. And then right over that, you'll use the moisturizer. So I got the Rich moisturizer because I am so used to having dry skin. and this really helps me to keep my skin moisturized throughout the night. So I highly suggest the Rich moisturizer. It's not even that thick, to be honest. It's pretty lightweight. It made my skin so soft. I think the cleanser and this together, it really helped with just clearing up the little tiny bumps I had going on. So I even like kept a little tally mark on my box here to see if these products would really last me a month, and honestly it did. I was surprised because I thought I was gonna run out halfway through. Making it last for a month, it really does train your mind on how much product to use. It's been about 6 weeks now, and I got sent the bigger package. So it's basically on automatic payments for, I think this is 3 months worth. So after the free trial, they automatically, you know, put you in an automatic payment system. So if you guys don't like the Curology for the first month, cancel it 3 weeks into it or right before you hit that month mark, because they send this big one right before your month mark is ending. So it can get here on the last day. And also, if you feel like that this formula isn't really working how you want it to work, or your skin is acting funny with it, then you can also email them or contact your provider to get you new ingredients in this. So that's what I think it's super cool about this brand, because you can honestly customize it to your liking and customize it to what your skin actually needs, instead of putting a product that's for all skin types, because not everybody's skin is the same. So after 6 weeks, you get this big box here. So this is a 3-month supply, I would say. So I got the exact same formula, and these are just in bigger bottles, so it'll last me. Okay, so how to use Curology. I actually use a Pond's cream to dissolve all of my makeup. That's the most gentle way that doesn't clog my pores to remove like heavy makeup. And then I go in with the cleanser. You're just gonna use a dime size amount, lather it up in your hands, and then use it on your face to really cleanse your face. And then after the cleanser, I honestly let my face air dry. That's what they said that you can do before you put on this formula right here, especially if you have sensitive skin. So after your face is dry, you're gonna use 1 pump of this formula here. So what you do is you just use a dime size amount and only put it on the areas that you're breaking out. So I pat it into my skin and make sure it gets on all the areas evenly, and then I gently rub it in. And if it's your first time using it, you'll really feel it working, but after a while, your skin really gets used to it. And then I let that dry first before I actually put on the moisturizer, just because I don't want it to layer on too much. So I put on the moisturizer mostly in the dry areas. The remainder I'll put on the areas that I put the formula, just so that it's not too much layers going onto my skin and it's still able to breathe throughout the night. In the mornings, you do want to only just wash your face and not use the formula. So just wash your face with a gentle cleanser and then put an SPF on your face. So on the website, when they email you about getting your formula, they have a list of products on their website to use as far as makeup goes, as far as sunscreen. So they recommend different products that are good for your skin while you're using Curology. So I got one of those as my sunscreen for the morning, and I only use the sunscreen. I don't use the moisturizer or anything underneath. After week 1 of using my Curology system, I've seen my skin significantly improve, especially in the dark spots. Good experience the first week. I would say around the 2nd week is when everything started to hit the fan. Every pore was literally clogged. It was honestly getting so bad to where I was really debating if I really wanted to keep doing it or not. But I kept reading online how you're gonna go through a period of purging, and it doesn't happen until about the 5th week, so after about a month or so. And about after the 6th week, you should see more improvements. Hey guys, so it's February 24th, 2020, and I've been on Curology for about 6 weeks now. I'm not really that happy with it, to be honest. As you can see, my skin is not clear. There's a lot of cystic acne still. It really did help with the dryness and the texture of my skin, which I've been having problems with using my other skincare. But I don't know. It feels like it's making things worse. My skin wasn't that bad or as this bad when I started using it. I'm trying to be really patient. I'm trying not to use any other products on my skin because I know that's what I do after a little while, and then my skin will start reacting to me switching up products again. So I'm trying to be positive, trying to be strong. This is hard though, you guys. Like, I really want to pick up my skin so bad. I'm not really having the best experience right now. I hope it gets better. It's not doing me any justice. My forehead's pretty clear all the time. Haven't really had problems up there. It can't be the formula that's what's breaking me out. I just think that my skin still needs to get used to it, because when I use it on my forehead, it doesn't really break it out at all. So what I noticed is using a toner in between your cleanser and your formula really does help. So I've been using a witch hazel toner by Thyers. If you guys haven't tried that already, it's really good for sensitive skin. Get the unscented one, and that really does help clean out your pores even more. That's the only thing I think they're missing from this 3-step system here, is a toner, because I think toners are really important as far as cleaning out your pores, especially when all of these active ingredients are bringing everything to the surface. And it's bringing it to the surface, and then it's just still sitting on the top layer of your face. So a toner really does help like create that smooth layer. But right now I'm not on anything. I'm not on any Accutane, acne meds, or anything, not even birth control, because I'm just so sensitive to it. So hopefully this works. I'm gonna check in with you guys in about 3 months or so, just to see if this system is really working or if it's just a hype. This is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my Curology review. And if you haven't already, subscribe down below, because your girl is almost at 200 subscribers. So subscribe down below to get any of my future uploads. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. For those of you who don't know what Curology is, I'm this Curology. Curology. Those of you who don't know what it is, I had this Curology. Talking about this for those of you who don't know what it is, this